Hype and Issey Miyake. Recently, we go straight to the Nuit series, and this is Pulse of the Night. Getting a hype train for many months. I just unboxed this last week. Kind of lukewarm for me. I'm not really on the hype train. I like it, don't love it. But again, fairly new to me, so I can't judge it right now. However, they got a new release of the Nuit series, and this one called Polaris. And I'm looking at the YouTube spectrum, and I'm like, okay, where's my familiar faces? Max Forte, BFL, Redolescence, Chaos Fragrance, Gensense. You guys have the pulse on the new releases? Nowhere to be found. You let Grandpa Robes beat you to the punch. Give me those views. Give me those views. Let's unbox this sucker. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we are unboxing a 2020 release from the house of Issey Miyake, and I'm going to give you a first impression also on this sucker. This is from their Nuit series, and this is their newest release, Polaris. Now, if you're new here, thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe, hit that bell. Love to have you on board on the Robes Away channel. I'm also all over social media, so if you want to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you know what to do. I am under my YouTube handle, Robes Away. Keep tabs on the behind-the-scenes stuff, including Scent of the Day, Scent of the Night posts, new purchases, and what I'm working on for this channel. Now, on that note, I do have my Facebook page, which is just me, but also I have a Facebook group called Fragrance Guru Nation. We're up to 18,000 members. It's a group where like-minded people talk about fragrances, new releases, just like this Polaris. People are talking about it. People buy, sell, swap, split fragrances. New and old YouTubers post their channel and new videos on there. It's a great source of information if you're in the hobby like mine. Now, the introduction, I name dropped. Roby, you know better than that. You're a veteran of this game. You know, people are going to get upset. Look, look, if new releases is your thing on your channel, that's awesome. There's space for everybody. However, there's a new old sheriff in town, and I could buy new releases just like the best of them. So watch out, Polaris. Here we go. Nuit 2020 release. Now, off the strength of Pulse of the Night, it is the newest flanker of the line for 2020 here, Polaris. So I'm looking forward to unboxing this fragrance. Now, it has an interesting note breakdown. It's got oud, vanilla, and leather. Now, oud, that's the first time Issey Miyake utilizing oud. I'm trying to remember. I think it is. So I wasn't really that impressed with Pulse of the Night, to be quite honest. Off the test strip, I have to wear it on skin a little bit more. I did a video on it last week, just like this, an unboxing. So go check it out if you're interested in my thoughts on Pulse of the Night. I thought it was pretty good, but not great. Now, can this one impress me? Let's get into it. So this one right here, hopefully darker than Pulse of the Night. I didn't feel Pulse of the Night was that dark. I was really hoping for a real dark Issey Miyake release. Obviously with the Night series, that's what I'm anticipating. This one right here, again with oud, leather in the note breakdown. I'm thinking some good stuff. So again, fairly plain bottle, nothing too crazy, Issey Miyake standard. This is the 100 ml. Weren't they 125? I might be wrong. Is this one 100 ml? It is. Okay. I might be drunk. I might be thinking of the summer series. Anyway, I'm hoping for strong oud. Obviously not, but there's labdanum in here and leather. So very interesting note breakdown actually. So let's, and again, I did do a little bit of research on Fragrantica. People are comparing this to Interlude Man from Amouage. Oh, come on now. If it's that, jeez, I don't think so, but we'll see. So, oh, okay. Another spray. This is very interesting. Very dark, very well blended. Okay. You got some bite from the black pepper. Very nice. Leathery background. I would have to say that's your major note on here. Interlude Man. Stripped down. Close. There's no smoke here. A lot of the bite is from the black pepper. There is a cypress note in here that I'm getting. Leather is your major player here. Very nice, very dry. Almost like the labdanum is, I'll say not leather, but labdanum. Labdanum obviously throws off a leathery touch, but also throws off like a light tobacco, peppery feel. And it feels like the labdanum is your major player here. Some balsamic qualities, very dark. That's what I'm, oud? No. At least not from this strip. I'm not getting much oud. However, labdanum heavy, some good pepper here, light tobacco, leathery, very nice release from the House of Issey. This is what I thought Pulse of the Night was going to be. Very, very nice. This is going to be a good one for fall and winter. Again, it's interlude, man. It's a far cry from that. It's very much a stripped down version of that. However, it feels very familiar to me. I'd have to get back to it, but I feel like there's a little bit of a designer tinge to it from something darker. Maybe it's got a little bit of that sweetness. Vanilla, of course, is in here, amber, but there's some sweetness, some familiar sweetness in this one. I like it. Off the bat, boom. A good release from the House of Issey Miyake off the strip. I can't wait to put this one on skin. Do a pop cherry. You guys know what to do in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about this fragrance. If you have smelt this Good, Bad, and the Ugly, I'd love to see your take on it. If not, we're going to do a pop the cherry. But right now, early returns, Pulse of the Night is actually kind of forgotten. Off the strip, Polaris is beating Pulse of the Night for me. And I don't want to start a hype on this one, but I feel like this one is more up my alley. We'll see when I put these two on skin. But Polaris, a good release from Issey Miyake, a dark release from Issey Miyake. I really like it. The labdanum is your number one player here. Leathery, light tobacco, peppery, very, I wouldn't say challenging. It's very interesting, well composed. I like the way it comes off on the strip. Really well done from the House of Issey Miyake. So there you have it. As always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.